The "Oops, this ticket transfer has already been accepted by another email" error is one of the most common issues users face on Ticketmaster. This frustrating message appears when the system detects that a ticket transfer has already been claimed. This error typically occurs in four main scenarios. First, when someone tries to accept the same transfer using different email addresses. Second, when transfer links are shared with multiple people who all attempt to claim the tickets. Third, when users try to accept transfers on the wrong Ticketmaster account. And fourth, due to browser cache issues or technical glitches. The first step to resolve this error is to verify the transfer status. Contact the original ticket sender to confirm the transfer details, check which email address was used, and make sure the transfer hasn't expired, which typically happens after 72 hours. Next, verify that you're logged into the correct Ticketmaster account. Make sure the email address matches the transfer recipient exactly, and double-check for any typos in the email addresses. For browser-related issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or use incognito or private browsing mode. You can also try a different browser entirely, or disable browser extensions that might interfere with the transfer process. As a final step, if all technical solutions fail, contact the original ticket holder directly. Confirm the transfer details, verify that no one else has accepted the transfer, and if necessary, request that they send a new transfer to ensure you receive the tickets. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve the ticket transfer error, it's time to escalate the issue to Ticketmaster customer service. This requires proper documentation and a systematic approach. If tickets were accidentally accepted by the wrong account, you'll need to work with customer service to resolve this. Gather proof of the intended recipient and be prepared to verify your identity and purchase history. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Here are key strategies to avoid transfer errors before they happen. Ticketmaster has implemented enhanced security measures to prevent transfer errors and fraud. Two-factor authentication is now required for high-value transfers, and stricter email verification protocols are in place. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies, you can minimize the chances of encountering transfer errors and ensure a smooth ticket transfer process. Remember to always keep documentation handy and act promptly when issues arise.